point of the circle, at one point of the circle. Tangent is the line which touches at one point of the circle, and this point where it touches is called point of contact. And this line crossing over, this line, yellow line crossing over the circle and making two parts. This one is this one, and the other is the whole. So this is called secant, means secant or segment also. And the line from one circumference to other circumference, the boundary of the circle is called circumference. Touches both sides of the circumference, but not crossing over the center, is called chord. This is chord. Blue line is the chord. And the line which touches both the circumference points opposite to each other and crossing over the center is called diameter. And from center to the circumference, this line is called radius. And any part of the circle, this from here to here, this is the part of the circle, is called arc. It is called arc. Now I will read it on your book. Listen carefully. A tangent is a straight line that touches a circle at one point only. This point is called the point of contact. A tangent is to the circle is perpendicular to the radius drawn. For example, it is a circle and we draw a tangent here. It is center. From the center, it will be from the center it will be like this O, X. This is AB. AB is the tangent, line which touches the circle at the one point. Tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius from O to X. This is radius. From O to X, this is radius. Like this is radius. From O to X, it is radius. The radius OX is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius OS is perpendicular to the tangent. For example, if we draw the tangent here, the radius from this point O to that point, which is here like Y, for example. So here it will create 90-degree perpendicular. Okay, now diameter.
Sir, I didn't understand about the radius.
Radius is the line which starts from the center and touches the circumference. This is radius.
Okay.
Okay, now the diameter of the circle divides it into two semicircles. Diameter. You can see here, this is diameter. From here to here is a diameter. From this point to this point is diameter. Diameter is the line which passes from the center of the circle and touches both the sides. This is called diameter. Okay, one more example let me take for the diameter. See, here you can understand what is the diameter and what is this radius. The blue line is circumference. This orange line is a diameter which passes from the center and touches both the sides. And yellow line is a radius. Yellow line is a radius. You can see here this diameter converting the circle into two parts, semicircle. Semi mean half circle. So the diameter of a circle divides it into two semicircles. Is it clear for you?
Yeah.
No, Mister, I didn't understand.
What you don't understand? Diameter, radius, circumference. What you don't understand? Tell
The
me.
radius, what's equal what to
Radius is the
become
line. Radius is the line which starts from the center and ends at the circumference, boundary of the circle. This is called radius. Like this is radius. And for example, I start from here. So this will be also radius. This will be also radius. This will be also radius. And these all lines are equal. It is not that one is small, one is big. These are
This
lines
line that
I am
starts
making.
from the center of the circle
This
to the circumference.
These are lines which I am drawing. This is radius. Okay. And these all lines are equal in length. Because in the radius, all the radius lines are equal. The same diameter, all the diameter lines are same. Like if I want to draw one more diameter here. So from here to here, this is another diameter. And this diameter is equal to the other diameter. If I want to draw one more diameter, this is also a diameter. Means that if two radius come together, it called diameter. Two radius come together, it is called diameter. 2r is equals to d. 2 multiply radius equal to d. This is formula. Okay.
Okay.
Every angle at the circumference of a semicircle that is the subtended by the diameter of the semicircle is a right angle. Is a right angle. You can see the diagram. Well, let me try another diagram if I can get. Okay, this I find this diagram. Look here. This is same line. Okay, now if you see this, this is our no, this is different. This is different. We will draw this here. Okay, this is a diameter, and the from point O, if we make a chord, this is a chord, and from here we join the other side. See, this angle, this angle will be 90 degree. This is rule. This angle will be 90 degree. For example, if I draw a line like this from here and from here, this will be 90 degree. The angle come here will be 90 degree. This is rule. Read again.
Sir, I don't understand about the code or the code.
In the start, I explained the things, what is chord. Chord is a line which touches both sides of the circle, but don't
Yeah,
pass
I
from the
noticed.
diameter. This is chord.
Yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
really think
now,
that he was drawing.
every angle at the circumference of the semicircle. This is the circumference. This boundary is the circumference that is subtended by
Yeah.
the diameter of the semicircle. Subtended by, this is subtended mean attached by the diameter of the semicircle is a straight line. Is a straight line. It is like this. There is two diagrams basically come together. This is a diameter. With this diameter, we make the two parts. Okay, from here, if we join, and from here, if we join at this place, so this angle will be 90 degree. The same, the other part, if I draw here, this is center. From here, it moves and go there. So this angle will be 90 degree.
Okay.
This angle will be 90 degree. Here, this angle is 90. Okay, now with the help of these points, we can come towards the example. Page 300. O is the center of the circle. AP and BP are the tangents. Calculate the angle at P. Calculate the angle at P. Angle at P. The angle at A and B are right angles. This we are clear. We are very much sure with the rule, this rule. The angles on, I should draw the diagram. I cannot get the circle. Okay, this is circle. Now, approximately here is the center. From this center, this is A. And for example, basically we should draw first the tangents. Yeah. You can draw anywhere. You can draw anywhere these two tangents. Okay, I draw this tangent here and this tangent here. This is almost similar with the diagram on the book. So now one tangent is touching here and the other will touch
Down.
point. For example, here. So here will be the angle. Here is the angle 90 degree and the here angle 90 degree. The angles are 90 degree here with the rule up. The angles at A and B will be right angles. Why? You can see here the angle on the tangent is 90 degree. OABP is a quadrilateral, so the interior angles add up to OABP. OAB and P. This is a quadrilateral. Is it a quadrilateral or not?
Quadrilateral.
Yes, it is quadrilateral. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It is a quadrilateral. And OABP is a quadrilateral. So the interior angles should be 360. Interior angle should be 360. Means that the all angle should be 360. Now, angle P is 360 minus 90 plus 90 plus 150. Angle P we need. This angle we want to find. This is given in the book. This 154, you can see this in the diagram. It is given. This is 90. We know that with the rule. This is 90. So now the other angle we can find out easily. 90 plus 90 plus 150. 154 plus P equal 360. These all go to other side. So 360 minus what it will be? 154, 90 and 90. 4,
Okay.
334. So 26 is the angle. 26 is the angle. Okay, now come to the questions. Question number 1. In each diagram, T, P and TQ are the tangents. TP and TQ are the tangents. In each diagram, TP and TQ are the tangents to the circle with center O. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. Question number 1. Not circle, not a circle. This is hard to get the circle here. Yes. Now, P is the point where it is tangent. This is the point, and this is center. When you draw this with scale, it will be clear. And this is the T point. Here the angle is given what? 52. This angle should be what? This
90
blue angle,
degree, yes?
90. Yes, it will be 90 degree because it is tangent, right? Tangent and perpendicular to the tangent. This line is perpendicular to the tangent. So that's why it will be 90. And this O, T and P. OTP is what? Angle P is equal to 90 degrees because
It's a right angle, yeah?
it's a tangent. It is perpendicular to tangent.
Sir, I don't understand. What do you mean by perpendicular to
Perpendicular to tangent. After
tangent?
after every 5 minutes you forget. After every 5 minutes you forget. See this. In the start, I tell you. Any radius which
Yeah.
touches the tangent, any radius which touches the tangent on the circumference creates 90-degree angle.
Okay, thank you. That's
After
because I
every
need to
5
go home
minutes
and
you
study
forget.
this. No, because I need sir to go after we finish. I study it, then we never
Okay, now this is a
forget it.
triangle. This is a therefore OTP is a triangle. Is a triangle. So the sum of angles should be
180.
yes. Sum of angles should be 180 degrees. Now this is 90 and this is 52. What will be the third one? 90 plus 52 plus P plus T, sorry, not P, equal 180. So T will be 180 minus 90 minus 52. Okay, what will be the value of T?
38.
38.
38.
Yes.
Okay. This is the solution for this question. Okay, now I think I should take this picture of this circle as compared to creating. Always okay, this picture of the circle we take for the convenience because we can use it again. This is a circle and this is center of the circle. From this center of the circle, we draw a tangent. First, we should draw the tangent, then otherwise it will become wrong. You have no need to draw because it is already drawn on the book. I am drawing for you because it is for me necessary. These are the two tangents which we draw. One is touching at this point. One is touching at this point. And from here to here, what should be the angle at this point? At this point, what should be the angle? Anyone? What should be the angle here?
90 degree.
90.
Okay, now this is x. From here to here, this is x. And
Okay.
this angle is 70 degrees. We need to find x.
Both equal to Mr. P and Q equal 90.
This equal 90, P
We
is equal to
subtract 360
90.
from.
Okay. 90 plus 90
The answer is 110.
plus 70
Yes, we subtract
plus
360
x.
from 90. 90 and 3.
250, sir. The answer of this is 250 and subtracted from 360 is equal to 110.
Yes, so x is equal to 110.
So x is equals to 100.
Yes.
Okay, now the next one, C. Now you can see the diagram from the table. Waste our time. Okay, P is 90. Angle P is 90 degree. Is it clear? Okay. Angle O is, this is the sign of angle. Angle O is 5x. Angle T is x. What should be the sum of all these three?
It
This is a
will be 90 plus 6x. And
should be equal to what?
6x. I think 84.
Should be equal to 84.
No. I think 180, sir. Sorry.
180 because this is a triangle. PTO
Yeah.
is a triangle and the sum of triangle is 180. So now 90 plus 6x equal 180. 6x will be 180 minus 90. And x will be
90.
t over 6. What is x? 90 divided by 6 equal
15.
15. So x is equals to 15.
15.
Angle T will be angle T. Angle T
Will be
15. And angle, this angle 5x. This is what here O. Angle O will be 5x. 15 multiplied by
It
5.
is equal to 75.
5x.
75.
75.
Okay, now.
Mr. Please. خلاص.
D. D.
No, Mr.
Okay, what will be the four angles here? One angle O. Angle O is equals to 3x. Angle P equal to 90. Angle Q is equal to 90. Angle T is equals to x, which we want to find. And you can see that OPTQ. OPTQ is a quadrilateral. Is it right? No one is
Yeah. Quadrilateral because there is 4 sides.
We will add these
So it has 360 is the answer.
equal to
Not answer, equal. Yeah. 90 plus 90, 90 plus 90 plus 180.
x is equals to
45.
45. And x is equals to 45.
45,
So
135.
45. And this x, 3x will be
Yeah. Yeah. 135, the answer of 135.
okay. The next question number 2, inshallah, we will discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Inshallah.